friends, welcome back to the channel. Sorry I've been MIA for a little while. Life's just been really hectic with work and working on some home renovations, getting prepped for Christmas, honestly undecorating for Halloween, which I still have not completed even though we're almost halfway through December. It's just been a little bit chaos, but I do have a few Christmas videos coming to you guys. In today's video, we are decorating my living room for Christmas. I am so pleased with how everything turned out this year, and I have to give a big shout out to my late Nana and my mom for gifting me all of Nana's Christmas decorations. My Nana passed away in June of last year, and I was excited to decorate this house for Christmas, but I just spend so much time and effort on Halloween that I really don't have a lot of Christmas decor. And it was such like a beautiful, magical thing to unbox all of Nana's Christmas decor because she loved Christmas so much, and see how much of it matched the exact vibe that I was going for. So 95% of what you're seeing in this video came from my Nana. So thank you, Nana. I appreciate you letting me enjoy all of your Christmas decor now that you're in another place. So yeah, I'm decorating my mantle here, and I just really enjoyed decorating for Christmas this year. And yeah, wow, I am so out of practice with doing voiceovers. This is really embarrassing, but I hope you guys enjoy watching me decorate.
Well, I'm all for Christmas, all the happy smiles and the wishes, and I want it all, from the lights to the mistletoe. Tell me one thing, is there anything that you're missing? I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow. Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. This Christmas I only wanna be close to you.
Thing I was so excited about this year was getting a real tree. There are two Christmas tree farms near us, and I had an absolute blast going to the Christmas tree farm with Brendan and picking out our tree and bringing it home. Something about a real tree is just so nostalgic for me because my parents do a real tree every year, and we've had to do a lot of fake trees in the past few years just because they are obviously a little bit cheaper and reusable and all that good stuff. And so I was so excited to do a real tree this year and get to decorating. We did this all kind of red, green, poinsettias and holly theme, and I am absolutely obsessed with how it turned out. All of these decorations were on my Nana's big tree that she did, and she always did kind of like red and green and gold. So this is kind of like an ode to Nana as well, which I absolutely loved. And yeah, I just am so happy with how this came together. I absolutely love doing the poinsettias all throughout the tree. I think I will continue to do this and maybe even do even more in the coming years because I think it adds such an elegant and big bang for your buck. Like, it's just like very much like a wow statement having these full bouquets of poinsettias hidden in the tree. I don't know, I just think it looks so great. So I hope you guys enjoy it and enjoy watching me continue decorating.
cards agree, then maybe this year Santa's coming home to me. I have found the perfect tree and dressed it to the nines. I've even made little gingerbread Santas. There's nothing left to.
I hope you guys enjoyed seeing how my living room turned out for Christmas this year. We're also going to be decorating the kitchen and my bedroom together, so make sure you hit that subscribe button if you want to see those videos. Give this video a like if you enjoyed seeing how the decor turned out, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!